So some quick little features about this. These will improve your handling overall. It helps to tighten the suspension, lower the car, and eliminate the fender gap. So instead of doing a up close and personal unboxing, these are very simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox them right now. These are some pretty good springs. So right off the top, there's a sticker on the top here, which is pretty cool. Just a RSR logo. Everything is wrapped up really nice and neat. And besides the springs, it does come with shorter bump stops. Considering you're lowering the car, you don't want it to ride on the bump stops, so they do supply these. This looks like the rear, and this is the front. So they got the cool RSR logos on them. Once we get the springs out, I'll show you a front and a rear comparison. Just under 25 inches from the center, and then from the straight line it looks like we are 9 and about a half inches from the front bumper, 5.5 inches from the rear. We got 24 and 7/8, and then from our line looks like we have 12 and 7/8. Our rear bumper, we got about 7 1/4. Our rear looks like we have about 9 3/4, 9 1/2. Our front bumper is about 6 3/4.